Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can order food from the Tazz app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Tazz app, then choose restaurant, then choose a food what you like. Select the quantity, how much would you like to have from this food, then tap on add to cart, then go to your cart on the bottom middle. Then next step on the bottom, tap on next step. Then here you can choose if you would like to pick up from the restaurant or you would like to have a delivery. Then you have to select the address. Then you can select a date when you would like to get the delivery, but it's not a must. And here you can select if you would like to pay at the delivery or you would like to pay now by card. You can leave some tips for the delivery. And here you will have your total and tap on send order. After you send it, you will see in how many minutes will arrive your food. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.